Hey everyone, I'm really excited about this toy video. You're gonna see lots of different toys and we are gonna tell you a really cool story. You'll even get to put together a Spider-Man car. At the very end of this video, we are gonna take some popsicles out of the Paw Patrol ice pop maker. So make sure you stick around to the very end. And we're gonna check out this cool charged up vehicle. Plus monster trucks, El Toro Loco and Monster Mutt. So much fun. Let's get started. Oh no, everyone. We have to get the Paw Patrol. Spider-Man needs our help. El Toro is at it again. He's smashing vehicles. And he is smashing Spider-Man. Oh no! He has torn Spider-Man's car into pieces. What are we gonna do? Paw Patrol, we need you. We'll never find all those pieces. They've been scattered everywhere. Look at this. Well, I think I know just the Paw Patrol pup that can help us. Let me go get him. The Paw Patrol is here. Chase is on the case. And he is all charged up in his new vehicle. Woohoo! You're no match for me, El Toro. I can't believe you're smashing vehicles again. Ruff, ruff. I'm charged up and you need to get out of here, El Toro. That's right. Look at this amazing vehicle. Whoa, Chase, that is so cool. And he even transforms. Look at this. Woohoo! He lights up, he makes sounds, and he spins. This Chase is perfect to help us find all the Spider-Man missing pieces so we can put Spider-Man's vehicle back together. Launch. And transform. Woohoo! One more time, and then we're gonna go on a hunt for all the missing Spider-Man pieces. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Let's get going. The Paw Patrol are gonna help us. Woo! I think I hear Chase coming back. Let's see if he found some of the Spider-Man car. I don't know if that's a Spider-Man car, Chase. It looks like it's a surprise toy. But wait, he did bring us a Spider-Man piece. Look at that. It's part of the Spider-Man car and a surprise toy. Look how cool this is. I can't wait to put the whole car together. It even has pieces that launch out and you can change out the tires. It is really, really neat. Thank you so much, Chase, for bringing us a piece of our Spider-Man car. Woohoo! Chase is really excited to have helped us out. He's all charged up. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and see what's in our surprise toy. Then we will see if the Paw Patrol can find more pieces to our Spider-Man car. It is going to be so much fun once it's put together. Here we go. What's inside? Rubble! It's Super Paw's rubble. And he's a Mash'em. Very stretchy. Thank you for bringing us a fun toy, Chase. And a piece of our Spider-Man car. Woohoo! All right, Chase is gonna go and he's gonna see if he can find some more pieces. I wonder what we'll see next. Is that Chase coming back that I hear? That's not Chase. That's a different puppy dog. It's Monster Mutt. He said that he feels so bad for what El Toro did that he's bringing us a piece of the Spider-Man car. Look, it's the chassis. And it snaps on right here. Let's see if we can figure it out. It's our first piece that we get to put together. And I think this slides in here. There we go. And then this snaps in right there. And we have part of our car put together. And you can push those down like that. But when you're ready to put tires on, you push the buttons and you can put your tires on. Oh, cool! Spider-Man, we almost have your vehicle put together. It looks amazing. You know what? I bet this vehicle would look really good with a spoiler. Thank you so much, Monster Mutt. You've been a lot of help. Woohoo! He's going to see if he can find more pieces. I hope he can. I wonder what we'll see next. Who will bring us the next piece? I hear someone coming, but is it the Paw Patrol or a monster truck? It's the Paw Patrol! And it's Marshall! He brought us a brand new toy! Well, that's really cool, but I hope he brought some Spider-Man parts. He did! Look at this! He brought us 2 wheels and 2 rims. You can turn them this way or this way. I think I like the shiny side. That looks awesome. And these are the 2 back wheels. So we're gonna put those on our Spider-Man car. And let's see what else Marshall brought us. Oh, neat! It's the brand new Zuma Mighty Pups Charged Up. Oh, this is the only one we haven't unboxed yet. We unboxed all the other charged up pups in another video, but we were missing Zuma. And here is the cool charged up Zuma. And watch this. He lights up. He is all charged up and ready for a mission. Woohoo! That is awesome. I love that uniform. But let's go ahead and put Spider-Man's wheels on. This is gonna look really cool. So these are the back 2 tires. Let's see if we can figure out how to get these on. So we're gonna snap that on like that. And oh, cool, it just snaps right in there. And you can pop it out like this to make it a little bit easier to get them back off. If you want to trade it out and put the red side on. And I still think that I like the shiny side better. So let's do that. And then we're gonna do the other side. And here we go. Put this tire on. Snap it all the way on. Oh, put it on backwards. There we go, turn it around. And then put our rim on. And then, there we go. One side is done. We just need to find the other 2 tires and a couple more pieces. Woohoo! Pretty cool. Let's see who's gonna bring us the next piece. Thank you so much, Marshall. Boom, boom. Let's see who's bringing the next piece. Is that who I think it is? Is that Spider-Man? He heard that we were helping put together his vehicle and he wanted to help. That's awesome. Look at this. He brought our 2 front tires and our rims. Can we get it out of here? There we go. So now we're gonna have all of our tires and he found the spoiler. Oh, that's gonna look amazing. And what else is this? A cool Spider-Man toy. Are you kidding? That thing is really cool. It's called a bop ball. Let's check it out. And then we're gonna put these pieces on our Spider-Man car. Here we go. Whoa, well that is really stretchy. Ah! Stretchy Spider-Man. What do we do with it though? You know what? I think we need to blow it up. Let's see if we can blow up this balloon. Whoa! He got gigantic! Look at that! He's got tiny, tiny little legs and tiny little arms and a very big head. Oh, there we go. That is super funny. Let's tie it up here. There we go, and see if it bounces. Spider-Man! Whoa, whoa, it kind of bounces all over the place. Check it out! Boing! Well, Spider-Man, you have brought us some fun toys and some new pieces to our car. Thank you so much. We're gonna start working on your car right away and get those tires on. Let's get to it. Here are our tires and our spoiler. Now, let's put them on. So we're gonna put on a front tire and it should snap on. And then our rim goes right there. This is just like working on a car. I love it. It's a lot of fun to put it together. And now we have 4 wheels. Now look at this cool thing that you can do. So you can have the chassis like this and drive around like a normal car, or you can pop it out in the back so he's lifted in the back. Whoa! Or you can lift it on the front and the back. It kind of makes him look like a monster truck. Or you can just do the front. He's ready to go over some jumps. Woohoo! And then down you go. And we also have our spoiler. And we're gonna put this in just like that. Whoa! He's looking better and better. But you know what? We still have some pieces that go on the side. Do you know what those are? I cannot wait to show them to you. They are awesome! Thank you so much, Spider-Man. Woohoo! We'll have your vehicle put together in just a minute. Let's see who's bringing the last piece. Vroom, vroom. Here they come. I'm so excited. Wait, who is that? Is that Robo Dog and Ryder? They're driving the ice pop machine. Look at this. We did this in a different video where we made Paw Patrol Popsicles. It was so much fun. And look at this. They brought our missing pieces. Super cool. Oh, neat. These are launchers, and they go on the side of Spider-Man. Watch this. Boing! That's really cool. I can't wait to put these on his vehicle. Now you know what? I bet there's some popsicles in here that we should check out. Let's finish putting Spider-Man together, and then we will get the popsicles out of here. It's gonna be lots of fun. I can't wait to show it to you. Boom, boom! Thanks so much, Ryder and Robo Dog. We'll see you again in a minute. Here we go. Let's put these launchers on. They should snap in right here, just like that. And then this one snaps in on the other side. Oh, cool. You can aim them up or forwards. And then put it in. And we launch by pressing the button on the side. So let's see how it works. Woohoo! Those are awesome launchers, Spider-Man. And guess what? His vehicle is completely put together now. We've got all the pieces. Thanks to the Paw Patrol, the monster trucks, and even Spiderman helped us today. Now, let's go get those popsicles out, and I can't wait to try them. Pull it very gently. Oh, is he gonna come out? We did it! We got our Chase popsicle out. Look at that! Our very first popsicle! We did it! Now let's try and get Rubble. Oh, the yellow turned out really good. Oh, his head's stuck! Woohoo! We did it! Rubble on the double. These are turning out great. Oh, having to be very careful. Oh, there we go. It's a pink sky. A pink sky popsicle. Look. So now we have Sky, Rubble, and Chase. I love it. Last one. Let's see if we can do it without breaking. Come on, Marshall. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There we go. We got it. So we have red, pink, yellow, and blue. Way to go, everyone. We made Paw Patrol popsicles. This was so much fun. This is the Spiderman still in the box, and it's from Ride Makers, and it's an Extreme Customs where you get to build your own Spider-Man vehicle. And I had a lot of fun showing you this neat toy. And then we had El Toro Loco, and we had the Paw Patrol charged up hovercraft. That was amazing. And lots of our favorite remote control cars. So I hope you enjoyed this fun video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that red subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. You declare, if you declare that Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.